Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Dodging tables, a topic which has troubled each and every educator at basic level and the students obviously and the parents. So much of pressure of learning the tables and students want every child to know what is 17 times 7 orally. I think most of us, the adults, also can't do that, and that's a bitter truth. But is there a need to learn the dodging tables? Or can we simplify the dodging tables for the children? At least those children who have passed out of class 3, 4, so that they start using the best approaches and feel comfortable with the basic calculations. Yes, we can. And that's what is the intention of this video. I am going to take up the shortest possible method for multiplying any number. Any number means it can be a 7 to 8 digit number also by a single digit number. That's what is dodging tables, right? Multiplication by a single digit number, like 17 times 7, single digit number. So what if I have to do 358 times 9? Oh, tough one, right? Or 7147 times 6, again a tough one. But after watching this video you are going to do that orally, and I tell you this is the best and the fastest trick available to us. So watch the complete video, you are going to learn something special. And if you have not clicked the subscribe button till now, please do it, and don't forget to click the bell shaped icon. You will get all the notifications on your mobile. Right, all these short tricks which I keep on bringing to you are a part of our ebook of short tricks. You can send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That is the WhatsApp number. I'll tell you how to get a copy of that ebook. It's a very nominal costing ebook which is required for all the students, whatever level they are studying in. Okay, so let's proceed with the video. This is the shortest trick for dodging tables. See, I have written up to 9999, but using the approach you can actually do dodging tables of numbers as big as 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit numbers also. Right, let me start with the basics. So normally we have the dodging tables from 11 to 19. This is what is the major concern for all of us, right? So I'll take one or two examples, I'll simplify this, then move on to some big 2-digit numbers, and then 3-digit numbers, and maybe 4-digit numbers also. Okay. So another very important thing before I take up the question. The things which I write here, they are part of mental maths. Okay, so you need to be sure that whatever I am writing does not deserve any writing. It is the process, the thought process which you have to improve, and once you work on that, writing part will not be required. So everything is mental maths. Okay, right. So suppose I have to do 13 times 8. Okay, so I asked a student what is 13 times 8, and we started counting. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, and so on. It will take ages to get to 13 8 times, right? But we just need to do one thing. See, 1 times 8 is 8 and 3 times 8 is 24. We just need to add these two. You will get 10, and followed by 4 you get your answer. Now this is mental maths. The child needs to think 8 and 24 in the mind and add these two in the mind to get the final answer. This will retain its place. I'll take one more example. See, suppose I have to do that dodging table of say 17 and I want to do 6 times. So the child needs to think 6 and the child needs to think 7 6 are 42, and then he will add these two in the mind and he will get 102 as the answer. Likewise, suppose he needs to do 18 times 8. So he will think 8 and 64 and then add 8 and 6, he will get 14. So 144 is the answer. It is not at all difficult, friends. Not at all difficult. These are very basic things. And now comes the important part. Can we extend this method to numbers beyond 19? Obviously, yes, we can. Rather, we can take up any 2-digit number. You want me to do that? Let's try. Now, suppose the number is say 34 and I need to do the dodging table, so 7 times. Okay, so the child needs to think what? He needs to think 21, 3 sevens are 21, and he needs to think 4 sevens are 28. So you have to visualize these two numbers in the mind, 21 and 28. Okay, and the single step which you have to make sure you get right is adding these two numbers. That's it. 21 plus 2 is 23, so 238 is the answer. Now pick up the calculators and check. 34 times 7, is it 238? And you will be surprised that you know the dodging tables of all numbers now. Okay, let's see some more demonstrations. Can we do the dodging table of, say, number like 56, and I have to do 56 maybe 8 times. Okay, so I will do 8 5s are 40 as the first number, 8 6 are 48 as the second number. I'll add these two, I'll get 44, so 448 will become my dodging table answer. 56 times 8 is 448. Let's move on to some more bigger numbers, then I'll go to 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. The method for 3-digit and 4-digit numbers will be different. Okay, so watch. Now, suppose I have to do 73 table and I have to do it, say, 4 times. So 7 4s are 28 and 3 4s are 12. Add these two numbers, you get 29, so 292. Let's do 87 times what? 5. Okay, 8 5s are 40, 7 5s are 35. Just add these two numbers, you get 43, 435 is the answer. So now you know the dodging tables up to 99, right? You can do any number. Okay. Now let's move on to some 3-digit numbers. I'll insert one more slide for my 3-digit numbers also. Right. Great. How about 3-digit numbers? Can we do dodging tables of numbers from 101 to 999? Oh my god. Can you do that? And how many people in the world can do this? Very less number of people. So you want to be among top 1% people who can do this, right? So watch what I do. Here we have a number like, I'll take a number close to 101, okay, 146, and I need to do 7 times. So the table of 146, 7 times. Oh my god, that's a big number. The method doesn't change. That's a good news. The bad news, we have 2 steps instead of 1 step. Okay, so let's see. Now the first number I have to think is 7 1 times, that is 7. The other number is 7 4 times, which is 28. And the third number is 7 6 times, that is 42. Right? Now if you see these two numbers, add the first digit to this number, you get 9. So you have to think 98, and we have a 42. Now add these two numbers, you get 102, and this 2 retains its place. And now pick up the calculators and check. 146 times 7, is it 1022? And you are going to be surprised that the answer will never be wrong. That is the beauty of this mathematical magic. The answer will never be wrong. 3-digit number, and we have done the dodging table. Okay, let's extend it. Let's learn. Can we extend it? I'll take big number. You can take any big number. You know, the method doesn't change, and the intensity of the method is not going to change. You will have the same intensity in all numbers. Let's see. Suppose you have 396 times 8. Oh god, that's a big dodging table, right? So I'll think in my mind 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. 8 9 times is 72, so I will think 72. Then when I combine these two, I will think 24 plus 7 31, 312. And then the third one, 8 6 are 48. So now what will I think? I will think 316 and 8. Now pick up the calculators and check. 396 times 8, is it 3168? You will never be wrong. Okay, so I'll take one more example of a 3-digit number, then we'll move on to 4-digit numbers. Okay, can we do like 784, and we have to do maybe 9 times? Okay, let's see. So 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72. So when we combine these two, 63 plus 7 is 70 and a 2. and then 4 nines are 36, right? So combine these two, you get 705, and we have the 6. 7056 is the product, right? So now you can do dodging tables up to 999, right? Can we extend it to 9999, or for that matter 99999, or for that matter 10 nines? You will be able to do it now. See. So 1001 to 9999. Any dodging table. Little bit of practice, little bit of mental maths, at home, practicing these things in the mind, you are going to crack it, I tell you. Okay, let's see. Suppose I'll take a number starting with 2. 2748 times 4. Right. I'll start with the first number. This is 8. 7 fours are 28. How do you combine them? This is 10, 10 and 8. Right. Now the third digit. 4 fours are 16. Let's combine these two. This is 109 and a 6. And the last digit is 8 fours are 32. So how do you combine these now? 1096 plus 3 is 1099, and there we go, the 2, and we have the answer. 2748 times 4 is 10992. Let's do 7764 times 8. 7 8s are, you should know your basic tables, okay? 7 8s are 56, and then 7 8s are 56. Right? So this is 61 and a 6, and then 8 6 are 48. Combine 616 plus 4 is 620 and a 8. 8 4s are 32. Combine, we have 6211 and a 2, and here is your answer for the question. One more example. Let's get closer now. 9458 times, let's do 3. 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12. How do you combine them? This becomes 28 and a 2. 5 3s are 15. So we have combined these two, 283 and a 5. And then 8 3s are 24. Combine these two, you get 2837 and a 4. And here you have the answer. All these are mental math steps. You have to visualize the numbers which you get on multiplication and then combine them into a single number, then visualize it with the next number, like that, and you can work on it and do dodging tables up to 9999, 9999. Yes, you can, and I tell you, basic skills are what we require, and that's what is the intention of this channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. So work on these skills, and I'm sure the dodging tables are never going to trouble you anymore in your life. So practice it and do let me know in the comments here, did it benefit you? And if it did, do share it with all your friends on your WhatsApp groups so that we can learn these amazing mathematical skills. All the best.